guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl IJ. If this is your first time stopping by, you're most definitely welcome. I feel like I've been gone forever, but no. But anyway, I have this look for you guys, and this is a Valentine's Day look for those of you guys who will be going out, or for those of you who will be staying home and watching TV and eating popcorn. You can still make up and look good for yourself. So yeah, let's just get into the look. If this is your first time stopping by, I would really like if you consider subscribing, and do not forget to hit the bell button so that when I upload, you will be the first to know. So let me not talk too much, let's just jump into this look, and I'll see you guys at the end of it. So I'm going to start by moisturizing my face, and I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Primer, Retouch Primer. I'm going to use that to So I'm going to start first with my eyeshadow, and I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Primer. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Morphe 939 palette. This is a new palette that I just got, so I'm going to use that in order to achieve the eyeshadow that we're going for. This palette has some really beautiful colors, and it is very big, very massive. There you go. So I'm going to start with my transitional shade. I'm going to use a shade that is like my skin. That's like my skin color, like this one right here. That's the shade I'm going to use, and that is called Summer. So I'm just going to place that right into my crease, my crease. I'm going to pull it right in. I'm going to go in now. This eyeshadow palette doesn't have like a burgundy color. The two colors that look more like burgundy, kind of they have kind of a purple tone to it. I do work on something. So I'm going to take this color right here, and that's supposed to be Passion. No, I don't like this thing. Seriously, I don't like this thing. So I'm going to take Passion, and I'm going to put it right in my outer V, right here, just right there. I'm going to intensify it a little bit. I'm going to place that in my inner teardrop area. Especially because I want it to be very intense. I'm just packing it right there, and I'm going to blend it out. You know, with eyeshadow, it's good when you start very light, and then you can build it up to achieve the color that you want. When you start heavy, it becomes very difficult to blend it out. So I'm going to use a smaller blending brush like this. I'm going to blend that out. And I'm blending it, I'm dragging it into my crease area, just so that it connects with the one on my inner. See here. Then I'm going to use the big blending brush that I used earlier on to put that color in my crease. And I'm going to use the same color to still put that in my crease just to blend out the edges. So I don't want the edges to be too harsh. So I'm going to use Velvet, this color right here. It's an orange color. I'm going to use that to put that just on top of my crease, just to give my crease a little bit of that or a highlighted blend kind of. So I'm still going back into that color Passion. I just want to tip in my outer V a little bit. The concentration is just right here, just so it has a little bit. Once I have that, I'm going to go back in with that little tiny blending brush and just blend out everything. Then the next color I'm going to use is it's called Snatched. It's a nice red shimmery color, that one right there. So I'm going to pack that into the center of my eyelid. See that gap right there? That's where I'm putting the color. To go back in now with that small blending brush, and I'm just going to blend all the edges just so that everything is nice and connected. So I'm going to use this to I'm going to use this Maybelline new foundation that just came out. I think maybe I'm not sure, but I kept on seeing it on Facebook, and I've seen some other YouTube persons, they've done some review on it already. So I'm just going to try it, and this is the Maybelline 24-hour foundation. And what does it say? It says that it is full coverage. It's a full coverage foundation, up to 24 hours wear. Really, it's seamless matte finish. It has a seamless matte finish, so that means it has a matte finish. It's breathable and it's comfortable. When you say breathable, it means that you can still feel your skin and the foundation, and it's comfortable. It's it fade and transfer. It is fade and transfer resistant. It means it doesn't transfer on your clothes, like you touch your face or something, it will transfer. I'm not sure about that, but we're going to check and see. And then it's oil free. It doesn't clog pores. It's dermatologist tested. Wow, that's a lot for one product. They claim so much. So I was able to get 2 shades. I got the 355 and the 334. My shade should definitely be in between these two, because this one is kind of too light for me and this one is too dark. So I'm going to mix both of them in order to get a shade that is my shade. I'm just going to put a pump on my hand and see, so you guys see. So that is that's the shade 334. You see that it's really, really light. So then this is the shade 3. This one is really dark. This is the shade 335. That is really, really dark. So I'm going to mix both of them in order to get my shade. So I'm going to take 2 pumps of the 335, 334, 2, and just a low pump of the 335. that's what I have in my hand on the hand. I'm going to mix both of them and apply it. I'm going to use this brush from NYX, and this is the NYX number 3 brush. It's supposed to be a brush that is good for both cream and powder products. You guys see that? Sense to it. I'm not sure what kind of product that is. So to finish my eyes, I'm going to take this color right here, the Vivid, and I'm going to just blend out everything. I went ahead and put it on a pencil. Matte blush, and this is in the shade Nude. So I'm going to apply that on the apples of my cheek. Really nice peach color. So I'm going to set my face before my highlights, and I'm using the Smudgebox Primer Water. So for my lips, I'm going to use the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade Tolly or whatever that is. I don't think you guys can see it though. But that's what I'm going to use, and I'm going to use this LA Girl lip liner. Hi guys, so this is the finished look. Let me know what your thoughts are by leaving me a comment down in the comment section below. And if you did like this makeup tutorial or this makeup look, please give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I will really like if you consider subscribing so that you become part of the iJess family. So without much ado, thank you all so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao.